Послушаем простой рассказ на английском. There is a great coffee shop in my city. I always drink my favorite coffee there. I buy a large glass of latte. Along with coffee, I buy a piece of cake. I love cake with honey and nuts. The coffee shop has very friendly staff. My favorite barista works there. He makes the most delicious coffee especially for me. While the coffee is being prepared, I talk to him. He knows everything about my life. I know everything about his life. Because I go to the coffee shop every day. I like this guy and I like coffee too. If he leaves for another job, I will miss him very much. So today I will ask for his phone number. Послушаем другой рассказ. Yesterday I walked through the forest. I saw a little hedgehog. I took him to my home. Every time I wanted to touch him, he was afraid. He snorted and curled up into a ball. Then I took a saucer and poured warm milk into it. The hedgehog approached the saucer. The hedgehog sniffed the milk. He began to lap up the milk. After he finished the milk, he ran up to me and raised his muzzle. He wanted more milk. Night came and I went to bed. The hedgehog stomped all night and didn't let me sleep. The next day, I took him back to the forest. Maybe we'll see each other again, I told him. Послушаем другой рассказ. Today I will replant the flowers. I went to the store and bought soil and flower pots. For violets, I bought a black pot. For the orchid, I bought a large white pot. For the cactus, I bought a small red pot. I replant flowers every 6 months. That's why they grow well for me. It's spring and there's a lot of sunshine in my apartment. Flowers like lots of sunlight. I water my flowers once a week. I like taking care of flowers. I love watching them grow and bloom. Yesterday, one orchid had one purple flower. It is very beautiful, and I smile when I look at the flower. When my friends come to me, they are happy to see it too. Послушаем другой рассказ. I am very skittish. I am afraid of everything. That is why I don't go outside when it is dark. The sound in the treetops scares me. Recently, I was scared by a cat that ran in front of me. If someone screams, I get scared too. I usually go for a walk with my friend. When I get scared, she laughs. I grab her hand and press myself against her. I don't watch horror films because I am scared. I live alone, so if there is a rustle in the other room, I cover myself with a blanket and lie very quietly under it. When I am thinking about something, I can be startled by a phone call. I recently bought a dog. I feel safe next to her. She protects me.
Послушаем другой рассказ.
When I was 10 years old, I was given a rabbit for my birthday. I asked for this every year before my birthday. On my birthday, I woke up early. It was just my mom and me at home. Mom congratulated me on my birthday. She made a big, beautiful cake. She said that when Dad comes home, we will eat it. I'm a little upset because I don't have a rabbit. I heard a knock on the door. I went to open the door. I opened the door and there was a box on the floor, in which sat a small white rabbit. I looked up and took my dad away, who told me, "Happy birthday, baby." I burst into tears and hugged my mom and dad. This rabbit was the best gift for my birthday.